Welcome to WeTeach. WeTeach is India's first learning platform especially designed for BTech students. On this platform, we provide university-specific video lessons for the BTech students, which will be helpful for students in clearing university exams. Along with this, we provide training for TOEFL, GRE, IELTS. All these courses are completely free. Please do install our app and avail all the benefits. In this video, I'm going to explain what is the right time for a BTech student to start preparation for TOEFL, IELTS. There are other exams such as GRE, GMAT, PTE, which will be needed for doing MS abroad. But in this video, I will give you a detailed insights about TOEFL, IELTS because both of these exams have same syllabus and most of the colleges accept either of the scores. And for the remaining exams, I will make a separate video. When should a BTech student prepare for TOEFL or IELTS? In order to answer this question, one has to understand the timing. For any student who wants to successfully complete MS abroad, the one thing that is needed is understanding the timing. If one can able to plan their timing perfectly, there is a high chance you will be able to complete your MS and settle well in abroad. The one thing what a BTech student needs is to be present in right place in right time. I will let you know how timing is pivotal. Here, for TOEFL and IELTS, there is a validity for scores. The validity is for 2 years. For writing exam, a student has to pay 14,000 rupees. So, if a student take exam a little earlier, there is a chance he has to take exam one more time, which is very expensive. Or in other case, if the student takes an exam a little bit later, there is a chance it will become rush in the last minute and a student may miss the college of his choice, may miss the stream of his choice, and it may even impact their chances of scholarship. So, timing is the most important. Moving further, from the time he decides to go abroad to the actual going abroad is 18 months. In this 18 months, one has to plan the preparation and has to take the exam and get ready with the scores. A student has to plan these 18 months meticulously to get optimum results. Globally, the minimum time that is required for any student to complete TOEFL or IELTS is 4 to 5 months. For our people, it may take even longer time as the level of difficulty of the exam is far beyond than any other conventional exams. It takes 4 to 5 months to complete the preparation. Immediately, a student has to take the exam without any delay. As I have already told that, it is a very lengthy process. It requires lots of documentation. There is a long visa process. You have to arrange finances. It is very exciting to leave one's own country and settle abroad. If you are planning to start your TOEFL or IELTS preparation in your final year of BTech, you may lose your academic year. Even if you can make it, it will be a last minute rush. So, what I would say is, it's all about your planning. Okay then, why should a student be prepared with IELTS or TOEFL scores 12 months prior to the intake? This is the most important factor one has to take note. None of the coaching centers will tell you why this is more important. Because this will give you lots of options, such as which university to choose, which course to choose. If you don't get the course of your choice, you may even change the country to do a course of your choice. And it will facilitate the chances of scholarship. Coming back to the core point, in which year of BTech a student has to prepare for exam? What I would say is in the third year, first semester. Ideally, this would be a right time. Start preparation, get good with your English basics and give your exam in fourth year, first semester. Personally, if you ask me, when should a BTech student start preparation? I would say it is from the first day of the first year of BTech because the course content of TOEFL or IELTS are very useful to all BTech students in every walk of the life. These exams are on English proficiency and will be useful in campus recruitment exams, competitive exams, group discussions for final interview. So, if you are in BTech first year or second year, do not think that your time has not yet come. Still, I have lots of time, I'll prepare in the final year. Do not do that. WeTeach is a very useful platform for BTech students. We are providing the entire course content of IELTS and TOEFL for free. Along with this, you will get artificial intelligence based personalized mock tests which are completely free. Please install our app and subscribe to our channel. The details are in the description.